Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic incompatibilities in prescription, that is therapeutic incompatibility from pharmaceutics to incompatibilities in prescriptions, that is therapeutic incompatibility. The topics to be covered are as follows: therapeutic incompatibility and causes of therapeutic incompatibility. Therapeutic incompatibility, it is the modification of the therapeutic effect of one drug by the prior concomitant administration of another. It is also called drug interactions. Mechanism of it divided into two groups: pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. First one, that is pharmacokinetics, involve the effect of a drug on another from the point of view that it includes absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion, that is simply called ADME. And second one, pharmacodynamics, are related to the pharmacological activity of the interacting drugs. For an example, synergism, antagonism, altered cellular transport effect on the receptor site. Pharmacodynamic interactions, it means alteration of the drug action without change in its serum concentration by pharmacokinetic factors. It include additive effect, synergistic effect, potentiation effect and antagonistic effect. Additive effect, it occurs when two or more drugs having the same effect are combined and the result is the sum of the individual effects relative to the doses used. This additive effect may be beneficial or harmful to the patients. Synergistic effect occurs when two or more drugs with or without the same overt effect are used together to yield a combined effect that has an outcome greater than the sum of the single drug's active components alone. Potentiation effect, it describes a particular type of synergistic effect, a drug interaction in which only one of two drugs exerts the action that is made greater by the presence of the second drug. Antagonistic reactions have the opposite effect of synergism and result in a combined effect that is less than either active component alone. For an example, protamine administered as an antidote to anticoagulant action of heparin. The pharmacodynamic interactions, for example, propranolol plus verapamil, it will give us combinedly synergistic or additive effect. Synergism means 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Additive means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Potentiation means 1 plus 0 is equal to 2. Antagonism means 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 or 0.5. On the other hand, effect at the receptor site, that is antiadrenergic or an anticholinergic. Therapeutic incompatibility, the therapeutic incompatibility is also called as a drug interactions. In that modification of the therapeutic effect of one drug by the prior concomitant administration of another, it occurs due to when drug or excipients which are antagonist to one another and are prescribed together. The therapeutic incompatibility is due to medication errors. Drug interactions, medication errors are done by doctors, pharmacists, nurses, and patients. The medication errors can be categorized as prescription errors, dispensing errors, selection errors, bagging errors, administration errors. Also, the therapeutic incompatibility occurs due to the following reasons: viz. Overdose, wrong dosage form, contraindicated drug, and drug interaction. Wrong dosage form. There are some drugs which have similar names. For an example, digoxin and digitoxin. Digitoxin is a cardiac glycoside. It is a phytosteroid and is similar in structure and effects to digoxin, though the effects are longer lasting. Unlike digoxin, which is eliminated from the body via the kidneys, it is eliminated via the liver, so could be used in patients with poor or erratic kidney function. Contraindicating drugs. Some drugs are not prescribed for lactating mother because it will excrete into milk. For an example, phenytoin, phenobarbital, chloramphenicol, etc. Drug interaction. For an example, tetracycline is inactivated by the milk due to the presence of calcium. It forms the insoluble complex with the milk and not show any effect on the systemic circulation. Next, incompatibilities in prescription, that is therapeutic incompatibility. The learning outcomes from these topics are: what is therapeutic incompatibility and the causes of therapeutic incompatibility. Thank you.